What's going on, y'all? It's Mason Bleasdell here at the Garage of the Americas to do a quick other update, and a bunch of progress has been made. To start off, the building, which is going in here, the fence work and engineered retaining wall is now down on that side. But the biggest progress has been made by far and away on the maintenance building. You can see behind me, it's been skinned. It's at least been skinned on one side. One really smart thing that Tim did when he was designing this complex, that one is red. It's the only building in the complex that's red. It's a nice burnt red. It's not obnoxious. When you ever need something, go to the red building. Easiest place to point people out to. Pretty darn cool. Over this way, progress is being made. We've got almost the entire structure of building 5 up. They're finishing up things right now. That building is supposed to be skinned and insulated by the end of the week, early next week, which is crazy, crazy progress. You can also start to see the size of the man doors. You can see, of course, the height of the mezzanines, where those are going in. A bunch more of the trusses and installation have been dropped off over here, ready to go in. We now have a slab for building 6. Building 6 is storming along, and the plumbing for building 9 is going in literally as I speak right now. That foundation should be poured probably within the next 2 weeks or so. Crazy, crazy progress. Again, you got any questions at all, reach out right now. We've officially released phase 3. All of the pricing is now available. If you got any questions, reach out. I'll see y'all next time.
You